Hello folks, today we're doing a building inspection, and what I'm looking for, actually I was asked to come out here and find out why this beautiful looking tile work on this concrete patio is breaking up so bad. It's all designed right, it was done with the right materials, the right grout, right everything, but it's cracking. They couldn't understand why. Well, when I looked over here, I saw, well, they laid this right here on top of this existing concrete pad. But look here. Do you see that right there? There's crack right there. So water, when it rains, is getting inside there. And both of these pads, they're completely broken, separate of each other. So they're moving. This pad here is moving different of this pad, naturally, because of sunlight, whatnot. And this is causing this movement. These are not going to be able to tolerate the breaking. And bango, we got us a problem. Anyway, folks, seal them cracks, fill it up, and take care of it. Thank you for watching our videos. We really would appreciate if you hit subscribe and hit like. Any comments, we greatly appreciate. Share with your friends. This will help us help others. God bless you.